Cloud workflows can help you share your project with team members and streamline collaboration across all phases of the project. Enable Autodesk Docs Cloud workflows by first saving the model to the cloud. To save a non-workshared model to Autodesk Docs, on the File menu, select Save As and choose Cloud Model. In the Save As Cloud Model dialog, use navigation controls to select the correct project where you want to save the model and click Save. Once a model is saved to Autodesk Docs, subsequent saves will update the model there. On Revit Home, a model saved to the cloud is indicated with an icon. You can also open a cloud model directly from the File menu. View the model at a location on Autodesk Docs using the navigation controls. To make the latest changes visible on Autodesk Docs, publish the model. Once published, view directly in a browser or a mobile device. Cloud workflows, such as model coordination or review and markup, can now take place with your Revit model on Autodesk Docs.